Another day of intense questioning for an AEG executive named in the Michael Jackson wrongful death trial. As Eyewitness News reporter Miriam Hernandez reports, Jackson family attorneys grilled him about what he knew about Michael Jackson's health.
Accusations fly in the negligence lawsuit against concert promoter AEG filed by Michael Jackson's family. On display for the jurors, emails to and from defendant Paul Gongaware, AEG's co-CEO. 4 weeks before the premiere, a message from This Is It director Kenny Ortega. Jackson late or absent for rehearsals. Gongaware responds with a request for a face-to-face meeting with Jackson's doctor, Conrad Murray. Quote, "We want to remind him that it is AEG, not MJ, who is paying his salary. We want him to understand what is expected of him." Unquote. The statement is evidence that AEG hired Murray. According to the plaintiffs, it is the centerpiece of their lawsuit. For a half hour, Gongaware rebuffed questions about that email. Repeatedly, he testified, "I don't know. I don't remember writing it." His only concession, quote, "I was going through hundreds of emails. If I knew lawyers would be picking apart everything, I would have been more careful," unquote. Further emails, Director Ortega writes that Jackson needs nourishment, physical therapy. "We have 20 days. We can't let him slip." Gongaware responds, "We're on it." Ortega, "Super, not a minute too soon." Yet on the stand, Gongaware testified no physical therapist or nutritionist was ever hired. He said he thought Ortega was exaggerating Jackson's health concerns. He said Jackson didn't like to rehearse, that previously he didn't rehearse before the History Tour either. But when the lights went up, he stated, Jackson was on. AEG's position, that Jackson did not die from poor health or pressure, rather that it was Dr. Murray's decision to secretly administer an intravenous sedative. AEG says in court documents Murray's criminal conduct was not foreseeable. Gongaware comes back to the stand tomorrow to face more questions from the plaintiffs before the defense takes over. Miriam Hernandez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.